Okay, so excuse my face. I'll tell you in another video. Okay, this is what I mean when I say that I take a video and I edit it and then TikTok just messes up my sound. And I have no idea why. It's so frustrating because I edited it all. I took the time to edit it. Then I'm gonna push post and the fucking app closed. And then now the sound is all messed up. I'm so mad because this is the first time I have waxed in I don't know how fucking long. I procrastinated so long and I did it in less than fucking 8 minutes, like all together. And I'm just frustrated because I took the time to fucking edit this video and then it doesn't fucking work now. I'm using Sexy Smooth Wax. I'm frustrated, but I'm gonna still post this shit because I took the time to fucking do it. I've waxed I don't know how fucking long. Life has just been life in. So life has just been life in. So I'm gonna wax my arms and
look at me, you know, videos of them.
I want to say it was about 4 o'clock in the morning. I heard pounding on the door.
Agents telling me the mom had been found. I remember replying, "That's great. Where is she?"
oh shit, that is so
And I
sad.
expected her to tell me hospital. She's getting checked out. She's okay. Just make sure she's alright. And she apologized. She said, "Oh, honey, mom's not alive."
Okay, so excuse my face. I'll tell you in another video. Anyways, okay, so I haven't waxed in I don't know how fucking long. Life has just been life in. So
Concede that real estate is a safe industry by and large. Every single agent you meet can at least identify
why I procrastinate, I don't fucking know. But I'm fucking done.
when you're
There.
alone in